Hello friends, today we will discuss the concept of metabolism. So whatever we eat, whether it contains proteins, carbohydrates or lipids, all these are digested and converted into their simpler form in our body. Proteins are converted into the amino acids. Complex carbohydrates like starch, they are converted into simpler sugars, and lipids are converted into fatty acids. Now, during this process, the energy is released in the form of ATP, and other energy rich molecules like NADH2 or FADH2, they are also formed and which can be used for different purposes. Some waste material like nitrogen compounds, CO2, phosphates and sulfates, they are also produced during this process. Such waste material is excreted outside the body by different ways. Now these simple molecules can be again used to produce different complex and large molecules which can play different role in our body. For example, enzymes, the hormones, the receptors and even the hair and nails. So as you can see, whatever we eat, it changes from one form to the other. And in Greek language, the word change is called as metabolismos. And from this Greek word, the new term came into the existence in science, the metabolism. So metabolism can be defined as sum of the total of all these biochemical reactions occurring in a cell. And this interconnecting network of reactions are called as metabolic pathways. Metabolism can be classified into two categories: catabolism or catabolic reactions and anabolism or anabolic reactions. Catabolic reactions are those in which larger and complex molecules are degraded into smaller and simple molecules. And during these reactions, energy is released in the form of ATP. For example, conversion of proteins into amino acids and conversion of lipid into fatty acids. A classic example of catabolism is the degradation of glucose molecule into pyruvate. Glucose is hexose sugar, that is, it is made up of 6 carbon, and pyruvate is made up of 3 carbon, that is triose. This degradation occur in 10 stepwise reactions which is known as glycolysis, and during this conversion 2 ATP molecules are produced. Anabolism is exact reverse of catabolism. In anabolism or anabolic reactions, small and simpler molecules, they are converted into large and complex molecule. And during these kind of reactions, energy is consumed. In catabolism, energy is released, and in anabolism, energy is consumed. For example, conversion of amino acid to keratin protein, which is present in the hair and nail. Another example is synthesis of glycogen or starch from glucose molecules. So this was all about the basic concept of metabolism. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel.